So hello guys, so itatap natin yung piston guys. So hindi natin tatanggalin tong head. So gagamit lang tayo ng Phillips screw guys. Yan. So tinanggal na natin yung spark plug dito guys. So lalagay lang natin to. Yan. So guys, i-rotate natin clockwise yung flywheel nya guys dito. Yan guys. Guys, ayan guys, dahan-dahan lang guys. So malalaman nyo na guys kung nakatap guys. Yan no, kunti-kunti lang guys. Tapos baba, taas kunti, taas pa. Yan, kung